Hi folks, let's continue observing possibilities of the philingvo project. Today I'm gonna show how to use the LED ticker to output YouTube videos and channel statistic information. If you have your YouTube channel and want to permanently watch how many views, likes and comments your videos are getting, this solution can be useful for you. Also, it works for channel statistics such as subscribers, views and videos quantity, and for other videos and channels you want to know about. Get ready, let's go. We are gonna use the YouTube API key to take statistic from YouTube. So we need to get this key. You can read or watch how to generate it at links in description. When you get your key, remember the place where it is saved because we need it for settings. There are two software parts to build the system. It's the LED server and the Newsline Client. The way how to download and install the LED server you can find in previous videos. In this video we are learning how to install the Newsline Client application. So before we start settings actions you should have the LED server got ready. Okay, copy or download files for the Newsline Client. Put the folder with application files in the home folder and open it. Here open the config.py file. This file is for the Newsline Client settings. Type your LED server address into the LED_server_URL attribute or leave default one. In the LED_volumes_dir attribute type a path to the folder where the LED server keeps volume files. Type or insert your YouTube API key into the YT_API_key attribute. Basic settings are done. Save the file. Let's have a look the way how to make settings for videos and channels we want to monitor. In the Newsline Client folder open the YouTube_scripts folder. And then open the file videos_config.txt. This file is for video settings. There are 3 music videos settings. Here each string has settings for a video. Params are separated with 2 vertical line symbols. The first param is a video's title what will displayed in the ticker. Let's watch statistics for Enjoy the Silence by Depeche Mode. The second param it's a YouTube videos code. You can fetch it from a video URL after watch $v equal. The third param is a volume where we want to see and save our statistic messages. The LED server has 2 volumes, the Newsline and the notes. The fourth param is a source name for a piece in a source where we want to send statistic messages about a video. If we use the Newsline volume we have to type a name. In this tutorial case it's video_1. If we use the notes volume it must be an integer number. The fifth param is a period of time in which application makes requests to YouTube regularly. Use the H letter to designate hours, the M for minutes, and the S for seconds. The sixth param is a statistic configuration. V, views, L, likes, C, comments. I want to see all statistic info, so I set VLC. The seventh and the eighth params are a letter color and a background color for the title. Colors you can set are presented in the LED server file _codes.py. Params between 5 and 8 are not necessary. If you miss them default values will be used. Press the enter button and type a new param strings for the next video. In my case there are 2 videos more. Imagine by John Lennon and Message in a Bottle by the Police. Save this file. Now let's do settings for channels. Open the file channels_config.txt. Here the same approach is used as we saw for the video configurations file. Let's make settings for the wide channel. So the first param is a title. The second param is a channel ID. There is a link in the description how to find out a channel ID. It's easy to do, so get it. The third param is a volume name. The fourth param is a source name in a volume. The fifth param is a period of time. The sixth param is a statistic configuration. V total views, S subscribers quantity, W videos on the channel. The seventh and the eighth params are a letter color and a background color for the title. Add one more param string for the TED channel. Save this file. If you do not need to see videos or channels info in the newsline, you should comment out proper strings in files of this application. If you want to have all this information, just skip this stage. In the file newsline_client.py, in the class newsline_client, in the list attribute messages _to_ include, comment out the string with yt_videos_q to exclude info about videos. Or comment out the string with yt_channels_q to exclude info about channels. Do not forget to save the file. Also, to prevent creating volume files with pieces for sources you don't need, you should make similar commenting out in the file volume_files_generator.py. Class volume_files_generator, the list attribute pieces _to_ include. For avoiding pieces for videos, comment out string with yt_videos_info. For avoiding pieces for videos, comment out string with yt_channels_info. Save the file. Okay, we made all videos and channels settings. Now we have to generate new volume files. Open the terminal and type cd newsline_client. And then python volume_files_generator.py. After running, new volume files will be created and replace old ones. Now we have to insert the pieces source names list to the code of the LED server. Open file newsline_sources_list_file m.py and copy the list. Then open the file saved messages_library.py in the LED server folder. Find the class newsline_saved_messages. In this class, find the sources attribute. Insert new list with pieces sources names that you have copied earlier. If order of source names doesn't have the way you want, place sources names in the order you want. Save this file. Alright, all settings are done. Now it's time to run applications and look how it works. Run the LED server in the terminal through bash script that we made in previous videos. In the other terminal window, type cd newsline_client. And then type newsline_client.py. Okay, it works. Let's watch how exactly it works. The LED server starts working and goes to the default standby mode. It should be the volumes messages newsline. In the beginning we can see messages for source, the plans and the time and data. They had been created before, so we didn't delete them. Further, we can see our videos pieces. Due to the fact that the Newsline client made just one request, we can see only current values and the differences are not shown. Let me make a cut to show how the ticker is displaying values when we got new ones. Okay, for videos we see quantity of views, likes and comments. The green color shows an increasing and the red color does a decreasing of values. The blue color shows that no changes happened. After values we can see the equal mark if nothing changed, the up arrow if value became higher, and the arrow down if value became lower. And also we can see the absolute difference from previous value after arrows symbols. For channels we can see total views, quantity of subscribers, and value of all videos on the channel. The Newsline client makes requests to the YouTube server, handles responses, makes messages and sends them to the ticker in every installed period of time for each video or channel piece. You should be aware the YouTube Data API has a default quota allocation of 10,000 units per day, so you should optimize your time settings to prevent making many requests. At least a time period you set shouldn't be more than the time the whole messages in the newsline takes to make one loop. More pieces you have in the newsline, more time it takes to show the all messages in one cycle. Of course, there are ways to optimize my code for making requests more rarely because YouTube API allows to do that. That has been a tutorial video about the Newsline application in the philingvo project. The video for demonstration of several of cycles of the newsline you can find on the channel. Do not forget create the bash script for fast running the Newsline application. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.